Hey guys, welcome to the Blue Garage. Day 2 here in Pittsburgh, working on my buddy Carlos's truck yet again. Carlos Davis of the Pittsburgh Steelers. We get to have some fun today. So yesterday we were focused on performance. We installed the K&N Blackhawk cold air intake system on his truck. Gave him a little added torque, a little added horsepower. Gave him a nice, beautiful sound under the hood as well. And some immediate throttle response that he seemed to really enjoy. You guys can check out that video. It's already on my page. It was fun. You know, it was a great time. Not only getting to make a new friend, but also doing the work, installing that, and getting to see what it actually feels like compared to my cold air induction system that I have on my truck. Both of our trucks are the 5.3 liter V8, and we both have the LT trim level on our trucks. So performance, boom, we checked that box off. Now, today, what we're going to do is we're going to work on some of the cosmetic features on his truck. More specifically, the headlights, the taillights, and the third brake light from Recon lighting. He is installing the black LED headlights and the smoked black LED brake lights and the third brake light. So we are looking forward to doing this project. It'd be fun collaborating with him and getting these on his truck, making it look flawless and making it really stand out on the road. So get in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think of this process, of the installation process, and maybe let us know of other headlights and taillights that you have on your truck that you like, don't like, or what struggles you may have run into installing these on your own. This will be a first for me. I know the taillights are super easy to do. I know the third brake light is a little more difficult because we got to get into the headliner back there, drop the headliner down, and access the third brake light that way, which is very difficult to get to, but we're going to make it happen. And then, like I said, we'll finish up with the headlights. Pretty routine, popping off the grille and then getting in under the fenders and pulling the old ones out, putting the new ones in. Since he does have the LT trim level, Recon only makes their headlights for the custom trim levels of the Silverados. That means that his grille is not going to snap into place over the headlights. It's just going to rest there for now. But Carlos does have it planned to get a custom grille. He wants to go with just the Chevrolet across the grille, the custom trim level grille for the trail bosses. He wants to go that route, and then those will snap right into the headlights. Much better than what he has now on the LT. So let me show you. As you see here on my truck, Big Blue, we have the grille, the two arms that snap in, actually two holes on the headlight themselves down here where it snaps in, and two above. That's not going to be a thing on his current, or with his current light setup that he has getting installed today. So what he's going to need, like I said, is that custom grille where it matches up here with the fender. He's going to get online. We're going to see what we can find. Maybe one of you guys has one that you're looking to sell, because maybe you have a custom trail boss and you upgraded to the LT grill and different lights on your end. So let us know in the comments below if you do have those available. Maybe we'll reach out. Maybe we can make a deal, and everybody's happy that way. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and follow me on Instagram. And let's have some fun, guys. You guys ready for the best view of the city of Pittsburgh? I'm gonna be coming through the Fort Pitt tunnels. Best angle of the city, best view. Just wait for this. What's up, guys? I'm here with Carlos again. Carlos Davis of the Pittsburgh Steelers. Brought him down to Permane Brothers down here on East Carson Street, down in the south side of Pittsburgh. His first time ever having the sandwich in person. What'd you think, man?
It was really good.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. I'm a fan. I'm going to be back for sure.
All right, now we're going to go back and put some headlights and taillights on this truck and hook them up.
Let's do it.
See you just soon. Ate lunch, got all fat and happy.
Yes, sir.
Now we're just going to put the taillights on the truck right now. Starting with the taillights, work our way to the third brake light, and then the headlights. So right now we're dealing with the Recon smoked black Recon lights. And we're replacing the stock one. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We're going to get started here. Next, we're going to take the T15 bit and get these two screws out. I already got the bottom one out, one here, one down below. And at that point, you just pull at the taillight. It's going to pop. It's going to fight you a little bit. Don't like this part because it feels like you're breaking it, but you're really not. It just pops those locks right out of place. Boom, just as so. Another tricky part that I just got done, unplugging this. So as this piece is in, it's positioned in this hole that I'm getting ready to show you. It's locked all the way back, but nobody's hands are that small to fit in. Highly recommend getting interior tools where you can pull out that red tab to unlock it and then compress this black piece right here, right on the end where I'm tapping, to get into this tiny hole right where that fitting is. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get your finger in there to pull it out. All right, guys, on either side, I'll show you. These are what we need to unplug. We need to pull that red tab down and push on this black tab. Kind of difficult to see while they're tucked all in. They're underneath, right next to the spare and right above the exhaust here. You pull those right out. First step on either end, on either side. Already did the left side. So that's what we got to do for step one. Next, you're going to have to take a flathead screwdriver to open up these clamps. These were holding the hose to the fitting, I should say the wire fitting, to the taillights. There's one there right above where it plugs in, right here. And then also all the way up here, right under the taillight. Once it's unhooked, it'll be a long wire down here, and you'll just fish it out from the top. So what I did here, if you want to come around and look, I just plugged the new one back in, made sure that tab was pushed all the way back. As you can see, it's tucked way back there. Nobody's fingers can properly fit back there, even if you're finagling your way as best as possible. Next, I'm going to fish the wire all the way through to replace where the stock wire came out, and that's pretty simple. If you look straight down, just fish it all the way through, and then once you get underneath the truck, you can tuck them and lock them back in place where the other wires were. All right, guys, we're moving to the third brake light now. So we're going to come up to the coat hanger hooks and get those done. As long as, in addition, we're going to pop off this little piece here by the seatbelt and this whole panel. That way we can pull the headliner down the whole way across. As you can see, I've already started on the driver's side. So I'll show you how to do it here. You just take a flathead screwdriver, come in from the top, get in there, and then pull it down. Whoops. Gonna have to pause you for this, probably. There we go. And pull it down just like that. Take an 8mm socket wrench and get that out. And I will fast forward ahead to whenever I'm popping off the panel. All right, guys, as you see, I got the little panel popped out and off. It has a little bungee in there that keeps it up. That's why I can't pull it completely out. I'm gonna get my hands deep inside here and pull it, the headliner down all across the back. The whole purpose of this is to get to the third brake light, as we said a moment ago. All right, guys, as you can see, we have the headliner popped down. There's various holes up there that you can see where I've taken the bolts out. There's two hidden in the corner here and on the passenger side. as well. So I got all my bolts here. Once I got it done, then we do the tricky part, which includes popping off this rear visor. Once the rear visor is off, let's go ahead and pull it off. Oh. As you can hear, we have those clips in there.
I just set it on.
Yeah, they pop back in. Once you get them off, as you hear, I'll let you swap to the other side,
Okay.
if you don't mind. You have two hands, I only have the one. Go ahead, pop that side. I'll show you why these are so difficult. These yellow pieces here that clamp in, they go in these holes here, but they're pretty difficult to pop out. Sounds like you're breaking them. You're not doing any damage, I promise. Then you're gonna unscrew all these black screws to get the tail light off. Unclip it, of course. We're in the put together phase right now. And once you're done with that, we're gonna show you how to assemble it. As you see, it's all popped back on, clicks right into place once you're all done. Now I'm gonna get on the interior and put those bolts back on from the... You got the bolts back in. Again, there's two of these on either side, either corner, right inside the door here. And then there are 8 of these throughout the back of the headliner. 4 in the center, 2 on the outside on either end. As you can see, there's 2 over there. And again, there's 2 extra longer bolts that are here. Now we're ready to reconnect to the headliner and throw it back up. All right, next we're gonna put on the Recon headlights on this Chevy Trail Boss. Gonna look good, guys. The back's already done. Taillights are on. Time to have some fun with the front end. Finally got the grill. Check these out. So there's 8 screws that we need to get out. 1, 2, 4 in the front, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I need to get underneath this fender. Easiest way is the star bits right here. Get 2 of those out. Pull this back, and then there's 2 more bolts under there. Show you how it's done. Check this out, guys. Looks phenomenal. Let's watch this. Ooh. Looks good, guys. Those Recon headlights. And taillights and third brake light, which doesn't light up in this feature or right now with just unlocking it. look phenomenal. He went with the black, smoked black Recon taillights. Looks phenomenal, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I think they look great. I don't know about you. Ooh, man, they look good. Oh, did you see that? It winked at me. Looks good. All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe right up here. All right, guys. It was fun. We had a blast. Long day trying to get those headlights out. It was a lot more difficult than originally expected. But in the end, they look good. All right, guys. Have a good one.